Hello lovely people of crafting universe. Today I'm sharing with you a perpetual calendar I made using Stamperia papers. We will look at the project in more detail in a moment, but let's start with the paper pad itself. This is a Stamperia Voyages Fantastiques paper pad. This is a mother pad, maxi pad, which has 22 double-faced sheets. I used the still 30 by 30 inches or 30 by 30 centimeters or 12 by 12 inch paper pad, but it is a smaller, thinner one. There is only 12, I think, sheets in it, but they are more or less the same. And what I loved about this paper is not only the design, which I think is one of the most gorgeous paper pads I have ever seen. What they have inside are these little designs like tags or clocks. See these tags? Besides being really gorgeous, they lend themselves beautifully to these small projects because the scale is small, the designs are small, so they work really well without you having to think a lot what to put where. The paper does the job for you. See that? You will see these cards in the project, which I used almost with any alterations at all. So that's the paper pad. And this is the calendar. For the calendar, I used already cut MDF pieces from a UK company called My Creative Spirit. If you want to save you some work, usually I use cardboard and cut it myself, but if you want to save you some work, these pieces are really well cut and they work well together and they will save you a lot of time. So this is the box. I used little feet, which are, you know, the little drawer pulls, but I think they work beautifully for this project. And so let's have a look at the cards. If you don't recognize the text, don't worry, it's because it is in my mother tongue. But of course it is, like for a calendar, it is days, months and dates. And see the cards in the cards I mentioned in the paper pad? They go here without much thinking and they look absolutely beautiful. See this? Oh, isn't this design gorgeous? They are absolutely gorgeous. And for smaller ones, by the way, you probably have noticed that I say that in all my calendar videos, that every paper pad usually, not this one, this is an exception. Every paper pad usually has pictures of papers which are inside the pad. So they are the same patterns, but just on a smaller scale. And those are really perfect for smaller projects like this. So I always tend to cut apart the cover of the paper pad and use the small designs. So the same thing happened here. See, for the dates? Oh. See? Oh, isn't this beautiful? Those are dates, and then of course the months. Oh, of course I had to include Paris view, right? This is one of the papers which has a Paris panorama on one side of the paper. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Look at that. Okay, let's try to put this all together. Don't you like it? Don't you just love the sound they make? Oh. Okay, the days. Whew. My hands. You can tell probably that I'm a little bit nervous. My hands are shaking. The days. And the months. Go. Okay, and that is the box. And that's our project for today. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.